The Peneda-Gerês mountain ridge, known as the Minho Amphitheater, forms a condensation barrier, making the Peneda-Gerês National Park a treasure in Morta Springs. Rivers, creeks, and streams bathe the national park, giving life to an abundant fauna and flora. The Homem River is the center of all the streams in the park, crossing the park's heart. Its springs burst from a coarse-grained, biotitic granite massif. Following its natural course, from its source in the highlands, silent and still, almost unnoticed, increasing its strength through its riverbed, becoming powerful and noisy in its waterfalls, captured and tamed in the man-made Vilarinho das Furnas Dam. The richness of the ecosystems is characteristic. However, above 1400 meters, only juniper, scrub brush, such as heather, gorse, and common broom cover its summits. Golden eagles, Gerês goats, Iberian wolves, and Gerês vipers, among many other species, roam these highlands. On steeper and poorer hillsides, cultures and men are scarce. Occasionally, some plateaus with fertile meadows appear, where, from May to September, herds can graze. As we approach Vilarinho das Furnas, the abundance of water increases, becoming tumultuous and roaring against the eroded and excavated rocks. A strange silence, which is only broken by the powerful and whirling waters, rules over nature. The landscape also changes as forests become thicker and richer. Between 1200 and 1400 meters, oak, birch, holly, yew, pine groves, as well as blueberries, mushrooms, and the rare and beautiful Gerês lily cover the mountains. Sturdy horses, roe deers, red squirrels are some of the species present at this altitude. Arriving at last into the Vilarinho das Furnas Dam, hiding between green arbors and prairies, the river becomes quieter. The valley widens and the river becomes more silent in deep and transparent pools. And, around it, very fertile soil, which is ready to receive all kinds of seeds, resembling an oasis in the immense and barren mountains. Clearly, water is abundant in this area, and otters, Iberian emerald lizards, and Iberian frogs make it their home. Below 1200 meters, vegetation is thicker, and chestnut trees, holly trees, oak trees, and butcher's brooms prevail. The presence of man is perfectly visible, from prehistoric to Roman times, from the Middle Age to present times. Vilarinho das Furnas, an old communitarian village, is nowadays submerged by the waters of the Homem River in the Vilarinho das Furnas Dam since May 21st, 1972.
O estudo levou 10 ou 12 anos.
Exatamente.
E depois fizeram um descasque de um lado e do outro até encontrar a rocha fina. E depois já com aquelas formas e ficamos.
In drier years, when the level of the water is lower, old houses and walls reappear, showing the scenery of a ghost village. Its memory is perpetuated in the Campo do Gerês Museum. The Peneda-Gerês National Park is very dear to me, and I learned from my grandfather and from my father, natives of this land, just like me, to care for and love these mountains. I wish I still had the opportunity to see the park through my grandfather's eyes and hear more of his memories and tales.